always is going to try and take you back to your habit. Now, for you, when the tracking ceases, the habit comes into play. Do you see what I mean? Like, meaning that typically when you're tracking, or when you see yourself stop tracking, is it because you're having those emotional eating or binge eating or I don't know moments where it's like, oh my gosh, there's all these casseroles, I don't know. All of those things are what open the door to you not tracking. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's always going to talk to you about these issues. It's always going to tell you, we don't know. How do we possibly track this casserole? We have no idea what's in this casserole. Or it'll say, oh my gosh, you ate all the stuff emotionally eating. We're not going to track it. It's always going to want you not to journal or track because it's going to open you up to going back to all those times you gained weight, right? Like, I just want you to see this pattern of, I don't know. I overate. I feel bad about that, or I can't even possibly recall it. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you had that little slip with your dad and the emotional eating, did you track that time or no?
There were moments I did not. Like, I still was tracking, especially like breakfast and lunch, I'm usually really consistent with, but like those moments, not always. Like, I think I might have tracked some things, but not others. It was still better than what I've done before, so I'm trying to learn from it, but no, not consistently.
Okay. So what we're going to do, and this is what I would like to propose, because remember, your mind will always come in and find some excuse, some reason, some justification in why Melissa shouldn't journal. Does that make sense? Does that feel true, or am I not being truthful right there?
No, it does. I mean, I've struggled with tracking off and on for like 13 years. I mean,
perfect. So this is a 13-year. So this is a 13-year habit we're trying to break, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do different. And Lose It, do you have the paid for membership or do you have the free one?
I have the paid for one.
So I'm fairly confident, because you can do this in MyFitnessPal too, where can you rename your meals or add extra meals to the day?
Yeah, you can. I did add, like, when I started this, like an unplanned eating section. I don't always use it for that. Sometimes I'll put like my evening snacks. Well, I guess I should start by saying, like, even though I'm tracking, I don't always plan out everything, but I have like the staples I always go to. So it's like plan, but not plan, if that makes sense. But sometimes like certain snacks, for some reason, I keep putting in the unplanned because it's like, I have like a morning snack and afternoon snack, but I don't have like an evening snack or treat. So I kind of just throw it in there. I don't know.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, I'd like to help kind of bulletproof you against this whole lower brain chatter thing by